Hi guys, today I'm making an envelope flower box bouquet for Mother's Day. So come along, let me show you how I got it done. Okay guys, so these are all the items I will be using today. So here I have my floral foam and I have my florals that I'll be using. And I also have my envelope flower box. The box is from Amazon and it came in a pack of 4. And I also have some Ferrero Rocher chocolates, which are from the dollar store, along with the other items. Okay guys, so I'm going to start by assembling my box. I'm going to fold along the creases to get the bottom done. It's very easy to put together and it's also very sturdy. Today's video is also a part of a collaboration for Mother's Day, and it's to create a simple and beautiful floral DIY. So today it's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Sandylynn's Home and Garden, Maze Design Corner, the Crafty Doll, and myself, Eventful Living with K. My box is all done, so now I'm going to be adding my floral foam and I'm going to keep it in the plastic just to keep my box clean because the foam can get a little bit messy. I liked that it fitted perfectly to the inside of the box and I didn't have to cut it. For my flowers today, I have this pink carnation. It's light pink and it's so beautiful. And then I'm pairing it with this vibrant yellow chrysanthemum. So next I'm going to be cutting my flower stems and I'm going to be cutting them at different lengths so that I can layer them and get that full look. And guys, you can always make more adjustments to your lengths once you start your arrangement. I like to cut more a little at a time as I go along to get the desired length, because you can always cut more, but you can't add it back. So these ones that I'm cutting now, I'll be using as fillers. Next, I'm going to be adding toothpicks to my Ferrero Rochers so that I'm able to attach them to my floral foam. So I'm just going to insert the toothpick. If you have skewers, you can go ahead and use skewers as well. I'm going to be adding my chocolates along the edge of one side of the box. You can always add more chocolates or arrange them to your liking. The chocolates will really make this extra special because with flowers and chocolates, you just really can't go wrong. For this one, I used a shortened skewer because I needed a little more length for the corner of the box and the toothpick was a little bit too short. Now let's get started with our flowers. We're going to start with our yellow chrysanthemum and then I'm going to add a pink carnation. So I'm just going to go ahead and add them to the box and make sure it looks balanced in terms of the colors. The yellow will be the main color, so I'm just going to go ahead and add them. And guys, if you have gotten this far in the video and you are enjoying the video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so for lots more fun and easy DIYs. I'm going to be adding the fillers now to fill any gaps and provide some extra volume and texture. I'm really loving how this is turning out. It's beautiful and it's unique And the soft pink gives such a delicate feel that's perfect for celebrating mom. And the yellow, of course, makes everything pop and gives that happy, cheerful vibe. I have this ribbon that I had gotten at the dollar store, so I'm just going to use it to make a ribbon bow to add to my box. So since the box is black, I'm just going to jazz it up a bit. I'm just measuring the ribbon to make sure I have enough to fit around the box and to tie the bow. And guys, please remember to stop by the playlist and check out the other videos to see what the ladies have created. Okay guys, I got my bow tied, so now I'm going to dovetail the ends to give it that polished look. As a finishing touch, I'm adding this Mother's Day sign. I did change the stick that it came with and added a full length skewer so I can add it to my arrangement and it can stand out. So this is how it turned out, guys, and I really do love this. I love the black and white stripes in the background. I love the color combination. This is just beautiful and unique, and any mom would absolutely love this. For this DIY, guys, if you are going to be using real flowers, remember to soak your floral foam in water first, and then you wrap it with some plastic wrap, and then you can place it in your box and add your florals to it. The plastic wrap will help to keep the moisture in, and your flowers will remain fresh. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.